Going even further to kickstart building apps, we're working on something we call app templates. Now, app templates take a common use case and provide a turnkey solution, including the UI, the UX, and a mock backend integration. If you're wanting to get your app to market ASAP, app templates are the way to go. All you need to do is swap out the backend for yours, and optionally, you can make some UI tweaks to suit your app and branding. Of course, getting your app built and launched is only the beginning. The next step is growing your app and user base. Now, we all want to see your app usage go up and to the right. A key aspect to achieving this is understanding just what's going on. This is exactly why we're building out the analytics capabilities of the Canva platform. We'll give you insights into how many people are viewing your listing, installing your app, using it, and more. So these insights into your onboarding funnel will help you understand where best to put your efforts, whether that's tweaking your listing, your onboarding flow, or adding more functionality to your app. Which is why I'm extremely excited to announce that Canva will be providing translation services for Canva apps. For the majority of developers, we'll cover the cost of translating your app into key languages. Yes, that's right, free app translations into key languages to help you go global.
Our newly launched Selection API lets apps read any image element that a user has selected. You can take that image right from the design and edit it in any way you like. In this example, our AI is being used to turn our astronaut to the front to say good day. There we go. And you can replace the image right where it was in the design. No need for the user to manually pull the image in from the side panel. And coming soon, you'll even be able to read a user interaction within the image elements and make updates to that image depending on the interaction. So you can build AI photo editing features like in-painting, out-painting, erasing, as well as provide effects and brushes. So far, I've talked about how apps will be able to read one selected text or image element at a time, but soon we'll also allow apps to read multiple elements on the design at the same time. With multiple inputs, your apps will truly be able to create anything. Maria's invitations were great, but it looks like the theme of the event's changed. Lucky for Maria, she doesn't need to start from scratch. Maria selects a group of elements on her invitations, and now that apps can read them all at once, the app can do all the work for her and generate an entirely new theme. We know that design automation is the future, so we're going to cut out manual steps for users and make them more productive by enabling apps to add pre-filled pages to designs. And we've just launched the Export API, so now users can publish their completed designs directly to your platforms too. Saving them from switching between tools and manually uploading files, they can override a design in a cloud storage platform or attach a design to a workflow task. We're going to leave that part up to you. Soon, we'll be adding support for the apps into the new Canva photo editor that was just launched in March of this year. And we'll be making apps fully compatible with our native data visualizations too. So users can take any data from your app and combine it with the power of Canva to create truly beautiful charts and graphs.
We know that organizations typically maintain over 125 SaaS apps, and the average worker can switch between apps up to 1,200 times per day. So the more seamlessly Canva can work with all these other tools, the more productive a Canva team can be. That's why we're introducing our Connect APIs, which is Canva's suite of public REST APIs that will let you connect Canva to any other platform to sync designs, comments, assets, and more. Many Canva designs start with a specific image or video, and with our APIs, you'll be able to build a connection to programmatically push this content directly into Canva folders from any platform to get users designing as quickly as possible. That means you can connect Canva to an asset management system and upload an entire asset library and keep it up to date at all times. Or maybe your user just has a single asset on your platform that they need to update, and they want to take it straight over into the Canva editor with a single click. So design happens in Canva, but Canva designs end up everywhere, on shared drives, social media platforms, websites, even billboards. No more downloading finished designs and then uploading them to your platform. With our APIs, your users can access and publish their Canva designs right from where they are. So you can bring a user's design library to your tool so they can choose the ones they're ready to publish in the file type they need. Plus, we'll have webhooks so you can stay notified about updates to the design, making sure the most up-to-date version is always published on your site. Or maybe a user is just looking to grab a link to one of their designs to share with others on your platform. They can do that too, and they can even update the share settings for the design right from where they are, so that everyone who needs access can see it. Thirdly, we are also enabling APIs for collaboration on designs. Because design is very rarely a one-person job, designs can go through several rounds of iteration and review from a whole range of stakeholders before they're ready to publish. And Connect will make it easy to plug your tool directly into this collaboration process. by letting users receive and respond to design comments or approval requests right from your platform, and keeping them up to date on the status of Canva design work there as well. We'll also be making it possible to create designs programmatically as well. Your users can take content from your platform, whether that's text, images, video, or data, and insert them directly into a Canva design. And it will all happen behind the scenes with no manual effort from users. So your users can combine the power of Canva with your inputs to create beautiful designs via our Connect APIs. So maybe your user has already created a product listing in Canva, and now they're working on your product inventory system. They can take the template that they've created in Canva and the data from your system and generate a new product listing right where they are. In this example, our user's just creating one, but they could also generate the product listings for all these products in one go as well. Or we can take it even a step further. We'll have APIs that can take the input from your platform and create that final design for them with no template necessary, using the power of AI and Canva's magic design feature.
Covered a heap of ground here, including how we're going to make it easier to build on the Canva platform,
the types of apps we're going to unlock through all of our upcoming app APIs,
and how we're going to make it easy to connect any system to Canva with our Connect APIs. We are very excited about everything we've shared with you here today, and we can't wait to get it into the hands of our Canva developer community as soon as possible.